Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the solar powered VIZIUUY, and this is the behemoth of wireless solar battery cameras. And I'll show you guys what it all comes with and how to hook it up and what it looks like here. So this is going to be the manual for it. Comes with a little sticker, which is the biggest deterrent probably. Comes with a solar panel here, so you can see this is going to be the solar panel to give it power, and it'll have a USB-C connector. On that, we have the mount. This is going to be the mount for the solar panel. We have the mount for the security camera, and we have the camera itself. Look at this puppy here. You'll be able to mount it up, and it'll go like something like this on here. Well, probably up top. So it makes it easy so you can take it on and off, and then it'll be in there like that, and then this will screw on to the wall. So you can do that. And then you've got your camera, and it'll move around, up and down. It's got a little sticker over the little device there. Oh, it's got a whole plastic over the whole thing. There we go. Okay, and it comes even with a little extension wire for the USB-C, so you can do that to USB-C to USB if you want to. So you can just connect it up to my battery pack or to something else, but it should have a battery in here already. So we're going to go, it says built-in battery, don't pierce. So this is going to be it, and it's going to connect up. Got nice antennas here. It'll look menacing out there on the outside of the house. So let me go connect this up. I'll show you guys how to connect it up here in a second into the app. I think it's going to use Cloud Edge. Let me see what it uses. Yes, it's going to use the Cloud Edge app. So if you have that app or don't have it yet, it'll be there. But let me show you guys a little bit of how we're going to connect it up. So once you open up the app, it's going to come up with like a setting to do the QR code and things like that. And that's where you're going to aim this at it. But let's see. So here, first thing you want to do is it's got power and reset, and then it's got a place for an SD card. So you could put in there to store the memory in there. But if I hold down the power button for like 5 seconds or so, if it has any battery power in it, I guess it does, it lit up. So now that means it's ready to scan the QR code to get it on the network. And it has a reset button as well that you can push. So until I have that app open, I'm not going to be able to do any good. Let me go get my iPad and we'll set that up now. Okay, the way we'll do it is it'll aim it. I can't show you guys the QR code, but it aims at the QR code and then it makes a woo-woo sound to know that's connected. And then this is where I'm at the next step here. It says next. And then choose a family, all that stuff. I don't need to worry about any of that, blah, blah, blah. And then here we are going to see the camera, which right now it's facing the box, but here you can see now it is facing the world. Okay, and then so I'll just say done. It's a good camera. And then I think it was this one here. And let's see, and there it is. Oh, ignore. So let's go back into it here, into full screen here. Oh, I guess it doesn't do that. I guess I just have to do it from this way here, but okay, so then if I want to do the pan, tilt, zoom stuff, I can aim it somewhere. Let me just put it down somewhere here. It's gonna be upside down, but you'll get the idea here. But then you have your little controller here, and you can move it, and it's gonna move the camera, you see? So when you have it up somewhere, you'll be able to zoom it anywhere. How cool is that? So, and as we're doing that, it's moving. I don't know if you can see. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So if I'm holding it there, and then watch, when I do that, you see it's aiming down, aiming up, left and right. It's giving me alerts, I guess, based on motion up here. I'm seeing all these alerts from it. But how cool is that? So let me go set this up. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's on the outside. I'll just do a little video screen of what's going on here.